Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzal Dar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Tuesday, 26th of July 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 24 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 208.12 and with VAT is 239.34. 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 191.05 and with VAT is 219.71. 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 182.10 and with VAT is 209.42. 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 156.09 and with VAT is 179.50. 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 121.75 and with VAT is 140.01. 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 86.78 and with VAT is 99.80. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 52.03 and with VAT is 59.83. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15%. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this video with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.